Hello guys, tonight I will explain about the Blockwork which is used in the high-rise building. So now you can see in this video, see this is the first layer which is the solid block, and I will explain the step-by-step procedure of the Blockwork. So step one is after this concrete slab, this casting is finished, then we make a layout. Surveyor come and he make a layout for this block work. Now I think the marking is not visible, but after the concrete casting, the surveyor he comes, he marks the layout for the block work, and then the masons they come, they follow the markings, and then they make the block work like this. So they make the first layer with the solid block. See, this is the solid block. This is a pure concrete block, solid block. Then we raise the inspection. The consultant he comes, he make the inspection for the block work. He checks this first layer, and once it is approved as per the approved drawing, then we proceed with further block work. And above this solid block work, we use this double AC block. This is called double AC block. Okay. This is double AC block. There are different sizes. The standard size is 60 by 20 by 20, or 60 by 20 by 40, or 60 by 20 by 10, like this. So depending upon the width of the wall, we change the thickness of the block. You see, and here's another important thing I will show you. You can see these threads. These are the plumbing. To set the plumb line of the block work, we use the laser level. We make some points of sight, and then we use the threads to align the verticality of this block work. Okay? Normally, in countries like India or Pakistan, we use this with some traditional method, but here in the Dubai we use like this laser level. We make some points on the ceiling like this, then we use the threads, and we follow the thread for to make the block wall exactly in vertical shape without any plumb issues. So this is all about the first layer of the block work. Now I will show you the finished product. In the other, I will go to another level and I will show you the completed block work. Now you can see this level. Here the block work is already completed. Before I showed you this first layer, which is the solid block, and on top of it we proceeded with this white color, this double AC block, and then we completed this block work. Now this area, this is for the MEP openings. So this block work will be, the front side block work will be completed. After the MEP, they install their services, then we can complete this block work. This is all shaft area, MEP shaft. And inside the apartments, we already completed the block work. Upside also, these openings, these are for the MEP. The MEP ducts, the AC ducts and everything, they will pass, and then we will close this block work on the sides. Now I will show you some components of the block work. Now this is the first layer is solid. After that we use the double AC block work, and alternative layer we are using this mesh. This is called block mesh. These we are using at alternative layers. See, I will show you here. Now this is one layer, this is another layer, like this. We follow the same pattern. Here another important thing. This is the door opening. So here we are using some pieces of solid block work inside the AAC block work. The main purpose is here the door frame will fix. So this AAC block work, it is soft. We cannot make some drilling inside. So we are using this solid block layers near the opening area, so we can drill the screws and everything to fix the door frame. These are some important things. Now another thing I will show you. This is the lintel. So normally you may have seen that we are using some lintel beam, concrete lintel beam, but here we are to make it fast, we are using the GI lintel like this. This is called GI lintel. Galvanized iron or SS like stainless steel, we can use this lintel. So this is just a plate type. It has the strength to hold the upside block work, the load, the weight of upside block work. So to make the things fast, we are just using this type of plate. You can see here, this is a connection between the concrete and the block work. Okay? So here we use some anchorage with the concrete and the block work. We use some hold fast in this area, like this area. After alternative layer we are using hold fast. Now in this video it's not visible, but I will make a separate video on that, and I will name it as block accessories, in which I will explain all the block accessories which we are using in the block work. So for that I will make a separate video. I just want to explain that we need to anchor this block work with this concrete structure, so that it can hold some lateral forces. So to make it more stiffer towards the side forces, we just anchor it with the concrete structure. I will just show you it in another video. Now this is all about the block work. Let me check if I missed something. Mostly we are using this type of lintel beam, but if the opening size is more, like the width of the opening is more, like it's a double door, then we use this proper lintel beam like this. We already fixed the shutter. We will make the steel work and the concrete casting, because you see the opening size is more, so we cannot use this type of GI lintel here, because it cannot it will bend, because we will have some block work above this lintel beam, so it will bend. So when the width of the opening is more, then we use a conventional lintel beam like this. But for normal door, because there are so many doors in one level, so we cannot cast every lintel beam. It will take a lot of time. So we just make the things fast. We use this type of lintel beam. So this is all about the block work. Yes, another important thing I just want to explain. Why we are using this AAC block mostly? Why not all solid block? This is the question which should be coming into your mind. So the main purpose of using this AAC block is because it has more resistance to the heat. Means this Dubai environment is there is more heat. So this AAC block, it performs well in heat, while the solid block, while it is made up of sand and concrete, so it will become more hot. But this one, this thermal resistance is more, this AAC block. Also, this is lightweight. The material is lightweight, so we don't want to put additional load on the building. So these two are the main factors. One is the thermal resistance, and the other thing is the lightweight. Also, there are other benefits. Also, you can go and check online. You can type AAC block versus solid block. You can see all the information. For now, all these things I explained, and in the next video I will explain about the different block accessories. I will go in the detail. I will explain everything about the material. I will tell you the main suppliers. Who are the main suppliers for the block accessories. So that will be a separate video. Thank you.